This one's pretty cool. Okay, this one is just not happening. Yeah, this is the one. Keeping up with design and tech trends as a web agency, you're already behind. To stay competitive, we need to be the ones setting the tone for how websites get done. Our agency builds and manages thousands of sites, so we know that accessibility is more than a trend. Customers want ADA compliance baked in, but who has the resources for custom coding? Bringing on a digital accessibility partner was a game changer, solving it for clients and keeping us in control of the process. Thanks, UserWay. We like that UserWay's artificial intelligence is a 5-minute setup, whether we're doing 10 sites or 10,000. And we get full visibility on every site in our integrated dashboard, where the team is always just a click away. Hey, a client of ours had a question about the ADA. Accessibility isn't a trend. It's a key part of our offerings as we build the future of the web. UserWay, our digital accessibility partner.